Stolzberg here at Uncle Giuseppe's Marketplace with Giovanni, and you're going to teach us how to make the perfect skirt steak.
That's right. We're gonna marinate it, we're gonna grill it perfectly, we're gonna slice it all up, and it's gonna be super simple. We're just gonna get a little bit of garlic, some fresh parsley. I'm gonna take 1 lemon. So we're gonna go a little bit of oil, not much.
Okay.
But you wanna go heavy on the salt, and you wanna go heavy on the pepper. And then we're just gonna take this steak, dump it right into the bowl,
There you
mix it all
go.
around, shake off all the excess garlic, and throw it right on the grill. You hear that sizzle?
That's a good sound.
That's what we want. And this is gonna cook up quick, Flo. I'd say maybe like 1.5 minutes on each side. That looks nice, doesn't it?
Yes, it does.
We're gonna take that off. We're just gonna let it rest.
3 to 5 minutes.
So I'm gonna cut this up into 3 sections, just like that, okay? And then what I wanna do is I wanna cut it against or perpendicular from the grain, right? And I wanna cut it on a bias,
Like that?
just like that. When I plate skirt steak, I like to mess it all up like this, Lil. And I'm gonna put it right dead center in the middle, just like that. So right over here, we have a chimichurri. So I'm just gonna drizzle this on, and then I'm gonna hit it with a good amount of Maldon sea salt. And there you go, Lil.
Perfection.
Right.
All right, so if you'd like to learn how to do this the right way, head to our website, news12.com, and you'll find the recipe and technique there. Thanks, Giovanni.
You're very welcome, Lil.